So this next app coming up actually took inspiration from one of my personal favorite apps, one that I use almost every day. And they even managed to build out a few new features that I've been wanting to see in that app for quite a long time. So I was really excited by this project when I saw it. They managed to create a really simple, intuitive user interface that essentially allows its users to organize and consume online content completely on their own terms. So now let's hear from the team behind Marca.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Sol. This is Cece, Philip, and Kenny, and we are Marca. So Marca, while coming up with the concept behind Marca, we wanted to create something that we could really use in our day-to-day lives. And in this day and age, we're constantly bombarded with a lot of information, whether it's the news, articles our friends share with us through Facebook, those viral tasty videos, and of course, that cute corgi video that you must see for later. With Marca, you can save, organize, and view anything and pretty much everything in a clean dashboard layout. So here's how it works. You can save an article with its URL manually through our website. But here's the cool part. You can download our Chrome extension from the Chrome extension store. Now, whenever you land on an article that you want to save for later, you can do so with a click of a button. Beautiful. Once you've saved your article, you can view it through our personalized reader. With our reader, we don't redirect you out of our web page, which means no need to wait for another page to reload. And what's more, check it out. No ads. With our app, you can enjoy your article without distractions, clean, efficient, and ad-free. What else can you do with our app? Here's Cece to tell you more.
Thanks, Sol. So you can add a new collection, such as cute puppies, to make all your cute puppy videos organized. You can drag it and drop it into the collection, so now everything related to corgis are there. You can favorite them or archive them once you've already finished reading, but not yet to delete them. What if you have an article that you want to share with your friends? Well, you can share it to your public profile so everybody can see it. You can search for a friend by typing their names into the search bar and check out of their profile page. You can also follow them in order to keep up with what they're reading currently. You can also share an article as a message to a specific friend. With our app, we're adding depth and conversation to our daily social media habits. For more technical details, let me invite Kenny.
Thanks, Cece. So how was it built? Marca is built mainly with React and Redux, along with React drag and drop on the front end to allow a user to easily add and organize their content. Marca uses web scraping to gather information from websites that matters most to the user. So again, no ads. If a user wants to save a page, we scrape that site and save the data as HTML in our database. Marca then renders that HTML as React components on the front end. So the first challenge we faced as a team was the ability to add any type of web page, article, or video. Initially, we built our own web scraping engine that could scrape select sites. But we quickly found out that different websites don't use set guidelines for publishing their content. So after several iterations of the engine, we decided to get the help of the Mercury web scraping API to have as many content providers as possible. So now we can get our news from any place we want. So here to talk about more challenges and to talk about the future of Marca, let me bring up Philip.
Thanks, Kenny. Our second biggest challenge was connecting our Chrome extension to the web app. The issue was twofold. How do we post to a specific user, and how do we load content in real time? It wasn't clear at first if a user was logged in or not, or even what the identity was. But with the use of Chrome APIs, we were able to get the specific URL on Chrome. And by connecting it to the server, we were also able to connect it to the web app. So it was a seamless connection between the Chrome extension and web app, as if there was nothing there. Overall, we learned a lot from this project, and it gave us a lot of opportunities to learn new technologies, such as making a Chrome extension, web scraping, HTML parsing. And with the use of agile practices, we were able to organize ourselves, communicate better, and integrate all these technologies to make a successful product. Moving forward, we would like to make our app a progressive web app to allow users to use their phone, and to use it offline. So if you're on the train and have no access to Wi-Fi, you can still view all your saved content. This is a project we're really excited to work on, and we'd like for you guys to check it out. Thank you.
All right, just a quick reminder, if you'd like to vote for that team, for the Marca me. Like this post, like that pinned comment. Yeah, I like that. I mean, I definitely resonate with me, like the amount of content trying to read all over the web, and I like just the whole look and feel of the app. It looks great.
Yeah, I'm excited to start using it myself. I really like the idea of dividing your finding content from your consuming content time. You know, when you have some time to sit down and read an article or watch a video or something, you just look at something you've already got queued up that you've decided is worth your time.
Yeah, I used to be a big fan of Delicious, the bookmarking service from a long time ago. And recently I went to access all my bookmarks and I found out that they have turned it off or made it static. So I'm excited to import my Delicious bookmarks to Marca, wink, wink, through some automated function or something, I guess.